Hi friends, in this lecture we will study how to find out the gradient of a scalar point function. So generally, suppose if we consider r bar is any position vector which is given by xi plus yj plus zk, then find del dot r bar and del cross r bar. So this is divergent of r bar, that is div r bar and curl r bar. So generally, suppose if f is any vector point function, then del dot f bar equal to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Similarly, del cross f bar equal to 3 by 3 determinant of I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z f1 f2 f3. So already I explained about divergent and curl. For more videos, please subscribe. So now in this problem, if you comparing this, f1 is x, f2 is y and f3 is z. Therefore, del dot r bar equal to dou x by dou x, that is 1, plus dou f2 by dou y. So f2 is y, so dou y by dou y, that is 1, plus f3 is z. Therefore, this value is also 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Therefore, del dot r bar equal to 3. So remember this. Similarly for this, del cross r bar, I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. f1 is x, f2 is y, f3 is z. Now find the 3 by 3 determinant. So for this, eliminate the corresponding row and column. So if you eliminate this, so find the partial derivative of z with respect to y, that is 0. Similarly, derivative of y with respect to z 0, minus j, eliminating corresponding row and column. Similarly, derivative of z with respect to x 0, derivative of x with respect to z 0, plus for this similarly we will get 0. So 0i plus 0j plus 0k equal to 0 bar. So therefore del cross r bar equal to 0. If del cross f bar equal to 0, we can say that f is irrotational vector. Similarly, so in this, del cross r bar equal to 0 means therefore r bar is irrotational. See one problem. If r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk, find del of 1 upon r and del of log r. So del of log r means we have to find the gradient of log r. For any problem, first of all you have to consider the given position vector r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Find the magnitude of this r bar. How to calculate this magnitude? Root of this square, x square plus y square plus z square. We are assuming suppose this magnitude equal to r. So this is r bar and this is r. This is a vector and this is a scalar. This r is the magnitude of the vector r bar. Now if we are squaring on both sides, we will get x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Therefore r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Now suppose if we are differentiating this partially with respect to x, r square derivative 2r into derivative of r is dou r by dou x equal to, so derivative of x square is 2x with respect to x, derivative of y square is 0, z square is 0. So therefore 2r dou r by dou x equal to 2x. Cancel this 2. Therefore dou r by dou x equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y equal to y by r, dou r by dou z equal to z by r. So remember this. R bar is any position vector xi plus yj plus zk, and this r is the magnitude of this r bar. R bar is vector, r is the scalar. So that is root of x square plus y square plus z square. If we are squaring on both sides, we will get r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and dou r by dou x equal to x by r, dou r by dou y equal to y by r, dou r by dou z equal to z by r. Now find this. So del of 1 by r. So what is the gradient of a scalar function phi? That is I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Now this phi is replacing with 1 by r. That is I dou by dou x of 1 by r plus j dou by dou y of 1 by r plus k dou by dou z of 1 by r. So generally, so derivative of x means minus 1 by x square. Similarly, derivative of 1 by r is minus 1 by r square, and derivative of r is dou r by dou x plus j. Similarly, for this derivative of 1 by r with respect to y, that is minus 1 by r square, and derivative of r with respect to y is dou r by dou y plus again 1 by r derivative is minus 1 by r square into derivative of r is dou r by dou x. So in this you can take out this minus 1 by r square common. So this is dou r by dou x I plus dou r by dou y j plus dou r by dou z k. So actually already we are calculated this. Dou r by dou x means x by r, dou r by dou y means y by r, dou r by dou z means z by r. Now we are replacing these values. Since this denominator is equal, we are adding the numerators, that is xi plus yj plus zk upon r. Since what is xi plus yj plus zk? That is position vector r bar multiplying this r square into r is r cube. Therefore, del of 1 by r equal to minus r bar by r cube. See this. Find del of log r, that is gradient of log r. Again we are using this formula, gradient formula. So del phi equal to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. So now in this phi is log r. I dou by dou x of log r plus j dou by dou y of log r plus k dou by dou z of log r. Since log x derivative 1 by x, similarly log r derivative with respect to x, 1 by r into derivative of r is dou r by dou x plus j log r derivative with respect to y, so that is 1 by r into dou r by dou y plus k log r derivative with respect to z, 1 by r dou r by dou z. So take out this 1 by r common. So already we calculated this. Dou r by dou x means x by r, dou r by dou y is y by r, dou r by dou z is z by r. That means x by r I plus y by r j plus z by r k. Since this denominator is same, we are adding these numerators xi plus yj plus zk upon r. Since xi plus yj plus zk is position vector r bar, upon r into r is r square. So that is therefore del of log r equal to r bar upon r square. So thank you. Please subscribe.